Hey guys, just want to let you know, I don't own Wildwoods anymore. I disbanded because my old amazing club owner, Tiffany Metallock, came back. So I kept it just in case, like, I want to keep the club alive, just like, in case she comes back. And she did come back. So we had this many. We've got a birthday party next Tuesday. Booyah! We've got Mailbird. I sorted all this out. Got all these shirts and everything and trousers. I redid my whole wardrobe and everything. And honestly, it took so long. I never thought I'd have so many shirts. And the fact that I've got like all of this as well. Pets. Items. Like, I've got this, and I've got a few wheels. And then it's a horse collection. So, as you can see, I've got 2 makeup. I've got that one with a Phil coffee. And this one, which I've got on now. Also, ignore my throat, because I have got the throat which is almost gone. So, I've got this black hair. This pink hair. This green hair, this pink hair, this hair that I've got now, black and obviously in white and blue. I love this one because like it goes well, and then you know, I just hit my microphone. Time for like horses. So this is Apple Crush. If you want like to have the same stuff, I have got Spirit, Thunderbird, Moonjumper, Gold Spark, Autumn Runner, and Red Rocket. Then I love 15 horses, and I've got all these. So I've got Blast Body Saddle, a blue Appetite bow, and a blue Appetite tail bow. Pro Dark Blue blanket, and Mail Order Bridle. Snow Walker. Or like the Christmas set. Royal Chase is my new one. And I want to show you a quick photo of my old starter. Hey, it was brown, but I can't find a photo. But this is my new one. He's got the Sailor Bridal stuff on with Dust, my bunny. That's my new Frisian Royal Chaser. He's a good stallion. This is my Jovic Wild Horse, my Halloween one. I love him. This is Wild Song. So I'm leveling up Wild. I'm gonna be leveling up my Fuzzy first because on the rules it says also remember to max your Fuzzy as soon as possible. So that's why I've got it, and I'm gonna like literally hurry it up. Then I'm gonna be leveling up my starter, and then Thunderblaze, and then Wild Song, and then my 2 other ponies. So yeah, that was not meant to happen. So, because I've got an Instagram, southwoopennyloser.stables or something like that. I thought I'd take photos, because I work at the rescue ranch, because it's like a roleplay thing. Like I add like all my horses I've actually rescued, because I did rescue one of those people. And oh my gosh, I have literally got mail. I need to sort that out. As you can see, I've got this many races, this many chores, this many dailies, and this many quests, which is what I'll do, as well as training. I'll do my quest, and then I'll train, then I do my dailies and chores. That's my plan today. There's a mailbox. Hey, I'm having... Oh, yeah, that was my idea. So I will record it. Also, don't forget there's going to be a Star Stable Live on Monday. To see if you can crash the website, because there's going to be a 14-day Why does this always happen to me? Are you being for real? Okay, we did it. You got try. There's gonna be a 14-day Star Rider code and a 50-day Star Rider code, and I'm gonna enter it because I need them star coins, and also I need to kind of top up my Star Rider, cause you know. So yeah, we're gonna ride. But guys, also add up my Snapchat, Feebles14. I need more people. I want to like be more active with like my subscribers and everything. So yeah. Let's try to the man hermit on the heath. And oh my god, the tail. This is my first. I love the tail, and literally, this is my first proper Frizzy. Like, I've had the old Frizzy, which was a sports Frisian horse. But this is my Oreo Frizzy. I'll do a comparison video when this one's like, when Royal Chase is level 15 and Autumn Runner. Is that a green face? Cause like, they're the same sort of horse, but old model. So yeah guys, I'm gonna do the race. So let's get into it. Also ignore my cough because I got sore throat and cold, which is almost gone. I did about 2 weeks now. Whee! Okay. This race is actually one of my favorite races. I love racing. Like, cause obviously, you know, cause my home stable is South Peninsula, and the races on here, I always do these ones first. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you was Reputation. I have finally unlocked Epona and done the bridge. It only took, like, in total it took, like, it takes a day. Because I bought it all from him, but the thing is, I couldn't be bothered and did do it for a week. So, as you can see, this is my rep. So we're gonna fit, we're gonna fit in one last race. Then I've got to do my quest and the rest of my races, cause I'm rest my throat and have a drink. Yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, that's right. I just wanted to show that's how bad it was. Like, I would always go, like this, and it sounded even worse than what that is. Literally. So, as you can see, yeah, it's getting better. Also, if you have TikTok, comment your usernames below and I'll follow you. But once I'm following your TikTok and actually know the usernames, I will delete the comment just in case you don't want anyone else finding out. So yeah, don't worry. So we've got a few jumps to get over. Whoop, wee. Come on. We made it. Anyway guys, we're almost at 40 subscribers and I just want to say thank you so much. But guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you absolutely enjoyed this tour of my account. Look at my little pet, but just what I'd say. Thanks for watching. But Also, someone report this black because black. It's annoying. Actually, no, it's not because it looks like it's following you, like in Heartland. If you like move bad. If you move, it just follows you. Anyway, guys, that is all. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.